Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to stay on the top of your credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online, you have come to the right place. Today I am going to walk you through the simple steps to record credit card payments and transactions. So let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to your credit card register in QuickBooks Online. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are in, go over to the left sidebar and click on Accounting, then choose Chart of Accounts. Scroll through your accounts and find the credit card accounts you need to update. Click View Register right next to the credit card to open the register. Now that you are in the register, click on the Add Transaction button. A new row will appear where we will enter the payment details. First, enter the payment date in the date column, then in the payee column, select the vendor of payee or to whom you made the payment. Next, in the payment column, input the total amount you paid. It's that simple. Now, let's assign the payment to the correct expense category. In the category column, select the appropriate category that matches this payment. This helps you keep your records organized and accurate. If this payment is tied to an existing bill, no worries. Let's apply it that bill. Go to the expense tab, find the bill associated with this credit card payment and click on it. Then click Make Payment. Make sure the correct credit card account is selected and then match the payment to the bill. Once that's done, click Save to apply it. Now, before we finish, let's take one last look at everything to make sure all the details are correct. When you are ready, click Save at the bottom of the register to record the payment, and then you can click Cross or Close to exit the register. And that's it. You have just recorded a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. It's quick, easy, and helps keep your finances organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.